Hi guys, sorry for remaking this video again due to some mistake made from my previous video. And then in the meantime, my parcel just arrived. This is the S6 gamepad. These are for the gamers. So I'll review it in my next video. So let's go for the unboxing again. Let's go. And so what we have here is the Wavlink AC1200 dual band Wi-Fi extender. So I've paid about 25 USD for this Wi-Fi extender. So let's take a look what's inside the box. And for 25 USD, you get this 4 antenna monster over here. 1 meter Ethernet cable, and finally the menu. That's all. So let's take a look at the configuration of this 4 antenna monster here. First of all, this is the WPS button, and the reset button is over here. Actually, you can hardwire connect to your router using this Ethernet cable to this Ethernet port. It's at the bottom here, and then it's using this 3-pin plug. So let's go and find out how they perform. Alright, so I'm in my bedroom right now. So this handphone is actually using the Wi-Fi signal from the living room router. So let's take a look at the Wi-Fi signal. As you can see, it's very weak. So let's see how is the download and upload speed. Let's try again. So the result is 0.43 and 1.61. So you can see how pathetic it is. Let's give it another try. Okay, it seems that there's no improvement here. Alright, let's take a look if I power up this Wi-Fi extender and see the result. So now we have powered up this Wi-Fi extender, and you can see there's a solid blue light over here indicating that it is connected to the Wi-Fi signal from the living room router, and it's a wireless connection. It acts as a repeater. So from here you need to choose the Wavlink 5G, as you can see. So let's go on and test the speed. Right, let's run the speed test. As you can see, there's much improvement over here. Alright, so now we've moved the extender away from the handphone, as you can see, and then we'll try to do the test again. Okay, go. As you can see, the Wi-Fi signal over here is almost full strength. Alright, the final result is 14.4 and 17.6. So this is a wireless connection over here. It shows that the handphone can't actually move too close to this Wi-Fi extender. Alright, so I'll wrap things up now. So this Wi-Fi extender, actually you can operate it two modes. One is the AP mode, which you need to connect this wire to the port here and the other end to your router. And the other one is the wireless connection, which this extender will act as a repeater. So for 25 USD, I think it's really worth it to get this device. And then I think that's for all. And if you guys do like the video, do hit the bell, hit the like, and please subscribe. And then I'll see you in the next video. Okay, stay safe and healthy. Bye.